I had this dream. What I remember is this huge vertical monolith towering above the earth, at least 800 feet up on a beautiful day, soaked in sunlight. And I'm facing, up above me, an open entrance, like the back of a large cargo plane. And I'm trying to get in there. I'm gripped to the top edge of that monolith, and then I'm reaching up to the lip of that entrance above. Reaching with my fingers, trying to get leverage on that monolith, pulling myself up. Got it. I get up to the expanse above, and I see about 35 yards in front of me, down this huge space, two girls, similar to Kubrick's twins in The Shining, but not as threatening. And they're addressing me down that long hall. As they shout me forward, they're pulling closed on a huge, heavy sliding door that's going to seal me off. And I'm shouting back to them as they encourage me forward. They're saying, "Hurry, Mark, hurry!" And I'm yelling back at them, "Come on, Mark, come on!"
I'm trying.
As I yell back, I feel someone touching my back, and there's a hand on me. My wife is waking me up, shaking me out of my yelling dream. And it's over.